You know, I've got a secret passion for a VW. Let's have a look at this one. This isn't a review, by the way, we're just being nosy. This is a VW double cab pickup Kombi combinations Kraftwagen left-hand drive with crew cab. Oh, that is an absolute classic, isn't it? VW, through and through. Like it. Let's have a quick walk round. This is honest as the day is long. There's some pristine examples online, polished to within an inch of their lives. Yeah, there's lots of new pickups, but this is, well, it's pretty original, isn't it? You've got your Type 1s, your Type 2s. Look at this. See what you think. And by the way, as we approach, there's no bed step to step on to get up onto the back of the truck. All three sides drop down, and you'll see when we get to the front, the indicators, they're not on either side of the grille either. There's a new front air intake being added on there. It's really work in progress, isn't it? But a lot of originality. Have you seen a VW with a cane roof? Nice one, with that particular distressed look and a lot of interesting features as well. For example, check out that crew cab. Good one, eh? The crew cab is entered from the right hand side, as is the petrol filler tank on the same side. So undeniably it's a VW. The VW badge off the front at the moment, as you can see. And, of course, it's liveried because this is doing advertising for a local eatery. You could easily convert this to several different uses if you wanted. Anyway, VW, still on the road. Air-cooled engine in the back, easy to work on. Let's have a final look over this VW. Not a review, we're just being nosy.